panguva ino in the ruling party ZANU-PF vachibuda pachena kuti VP Constantine Chiwenga is the only person in the ruling party ZANU-PF anoonekwa kunzi his efforts nema statements aanoita are genuine. Ma-efforts anoita kudefenda the constitution kuita kuti nyika yese yeZimbabwe iwane in equal share. Azobuda kuti VP Constantine Chiwenga is the only genuine voice in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Sana pena mashoko ari kubuda panguva inai. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Recently, we have seen my post anga circulator avakomana vana Matinyarare vachipana mota nana Tungwarara. Panguva inoi, as we saw kuti Matinyarare he acted as if he is against Cap 3, but panguva inoi oshoma true colors. Before we read a message lawyer ichipresa VP Constantine Chiwenga, we want to see this post here tukona kuti in the ruling party ZANU-PF mune attacks panguva ina ari kunokwa kunzi these powerful allies are close to the president, they are fighting each other. Anodanyira chiti chabata tough guy, your Tungwarara mission is known, you can fool anyone else but not me. You never supported resolution number 1 because you support the VP agenda. You never supported K3, but you stand to support Tungwarara. Why? Not that your team is supporting Matinyarare to fight Dr. Tagure, or at least they move with the weaponized empowerment drive and their flawed war veteran support while sabotaging our president. Though mashoko anobuda chinyora panguva ine ari yasonoka kuti pane attacks aripo between the Tungwarara faction nemoyana Tagure, but panguva ine tikuona kuti people they come in praise general vachiti VP Chiwenga's agenda kumisa corruption nekuti povo iwane kugara zvakanaka uye kuchengetedza nyika yedu. Is there any other agenda yavanayo tiudzewo wava kufarisa manje iwewe? That's why waiva a British soldier uko tokufumurai. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ina tona kuti after they tried to mess around VP Constantine Chiwenga, people they came and defended him. Pinda comment section medu za fundo any more kulipa msulubu chitu ichi. So subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon.